In this video, I will give you some answers to this question. How can I make money online with my smartphone? Please give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can be notified straight away as soon as I upload new content. Thank you very much. Let's get started. If you would like me to create any videos for you on any topics, tell me in the comments under the video. Here are some fun ways to make money with your mobile phone. Number 1. Shore up your savings with mobile surveys. Surveys are fun, right? You get to fill out quizzes, secure in the certainty that as the customer, your answers are always right. Companies need customer feedback for every little thing, and this means that they are now willing to pay you for marking out a few tick boxes. All you have to do is download one of the apps, start scrolling, and make money online with your mobile phone. Let's take a look at some money-making apps that you can use. The first is Pawns.app. Pawns.app is an international money-making app that enables everyone to make money by completing surveys or sharing their unused bandwidth. The surveys usually take a few minutes and pay up to $2 each, so you can make money while commuting, during a commercial break, or whenever you have a few minutes free. The Pawns.app platform also has a great referral program. You can use your referral link and invite others to earn even more. They get a $1 starting bonus and you get 10% of their earnings forever. As soon as you reach $5, you can get paid via PayPal, Bitcoin, or different gift cards. The next app is Inbox Pounds. Sign up to Inbox Pounds and earn cash for reading emails, completing surveys, watching videos, and more. You can simply lounge on the couch, phone in hand, and make money as you watch TV. You even get £1 just for signing up. iPoll, for example, is available in any country in the world and even gives you an upfront payment of $5 just for signing up. The minimum amount iPoll will pay out is $10. But you have to wait until you reach $50 to actually receive your money in cash form. Before you reach that amount, your earnings can be redeemed via gift cards or magazine subscriptions. Watch out though, because iPoll charge you a 3% deduction on PayPal payouts which take 2 to 4 weeks to be received. Although this can be avoided with the prepaid Visa card, it is important to check for hidden costs when using any of these apps. To maximize your money, Survey Chris advises filling out the profile questions first to save time and sticking to surveys that give you $1 per minute. Some of the top survey apps include Swagbooks and LifePoints. Some of the best online buyers of your old junk now have mobile apps that make it even easier to clear out. The Zifit app, for example, has the handy feature of a barcode scanner, which means all you need to do is take a picture of the back of your battered book with your mobile phone for an instant price evaluation. The app is completely free and you can get up to £4 for one otherwise unsellable book. When you've got a few of your old books together, the payout rises and you don't even have to worry about delivery or transaction costs. I'd say that's an easy peasy way to make money with your mobile phone. Other apps are Music Magpie, Zapper, Let Go, and Declutter. Number 3. Browse for big bucks. Join Encompass and earn £20 for your first month. Join Morai Encompass and earn £20 for your first month and £10 every month after. All you have to do is to complete a 5-minute questionnaire and then install the free app. They are currently only looking for Android users. If that sounds like you, then what are you waiting for? The next app is Mobile Expression. Mobile Expression is an app that pretty much pays you to keep on browsing. It's potentially one of the easiest ways of making money, as its aim is to understand how average people use the mobile internet and determine the rank of websites. One of the questions the website asks is if the use of the internet is the same on mobile phones as it is on non-mobile phones such as PCs and tablets. It's similar to the way in which TV analysts look at ratings to get a clearer idea of the demographics of different shows. After you have installed the app, it just sits quietly in the background of your phone, monitoring your internet activity to see which sites are the most popular. The information you submit is completely anonymous and even more unrecognizable once compiled with other users to create a broad report on internet trends and activities. Join up today and you will start by receiving an Amazon gift card after only 1 week. Being a member is also good for the environment because after 90 days, Mobile Expression will plant a tree with trees for knowledge in recognition of your participation and thereafter for every month you remain a member. Before you sign up though, make sure that you check out what other people say about the app online, as survey forums often hold need-to-know information and top tips on how to maximize your profits. You can also try Nielsen Online Panel and MB Mobile. Number 4, rake in rewards by listening to music and watching videos. Now, if you really want to make money with your mobile phone and fancy spending a few hours a day just catching up on the latest online videos, then this is the app for you. You maybe already do it, but probably when you're actually meant to be doing something else. Now you have an excuse to do it, as you could get paid to watch music videos and adverts from your mobile phone. Viggle, for example, gives you points every time you switch on the TV. You can also get stuck into red button activities and answer questions if you want to get ahead. Viggle even gives you extra points for binge watching a series. Points can be redeemed for vouchers and gift cards from over 800 places such as Starbucks, Foot Locker, Groupon and Best Buy. It takes 600 points, however, to make around $0.01, and so it takes perseverance to make a profit. It is probably only worth it if you spend every day in front of the TV. If you liked the Viggle app, then you may want to have a look at AdMe and app trailers. Number 5, Snap Up Cash. Are you a photography fan? Maybe you're even looking to get into it after school or university. Well, why not get some easy experience under your belt by submitting your mobile phone snaps to apps like Phope and get some money. Phope is a stock photography website and so looks out for high quality phone photos of almost everything under the sun. Once you've uploaded your photos to the site, you get paid $5 every time someone buys one of yours. 20 downloads later and you could have raked in $100. Not bad for some stylish snapping. If you've already got a pretty solid following for your photos on Instagram, then make sure you check out Popular Pays. Brands use the app to get Insta-famous photographers to use their products and they will send them to you for free. If you have around 500 followers, for example, you could be starting every day with a photogenic cup of free coffee. Not exactly a bad way to make money with your mobile phone. If you like the sound of this, then make sure you give these mobile apps a go also, Icon Zoomer and Snapwire. Now, if you really want to know how to start and run an online business, then go and click the link in the description box under the video now and go to our partner website, internetbusinessschool.co.uk, the UK's leading internet marketing training company. I recommend you have a look at the online courses available. They have courses for everyone from complete beginner to an online expert. There is a course that will suit you. It is a fantastic resource which is going to give you the training, the skills and the knowledge you'll need to launch a successful online business from start to finish and put you ahead of the competition. Please give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can be notified straight away as soon as I upload new content. Thank you very much. Please remember to connect on Facebook. I have put the Facebook page link in the description box below this video. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.